did some research. I went online and I read a lot of the reviews and kind of did my homework, and I just felt at peace about coming here. It has been great. I came in at the beginning with a lot of anxiety and a lot of nerves, just in general, because it's working in my mouth. I left very happy because they made me feel comfortable. My anxiety, they helped me with my anxiety level, and he was very patient and understanding, and they made me feel overall very comfortable. He did a great job. Very professional, very clean, and they just did a wonderful job. Very welcomed. They all seem to be very in a happy mood all the time. Just overall, you sense this really nice spirit of joy. Definitely, I would recommend you guys.